Okay, real talk. Ever feel like niche marketing is like showing up late to a buffet? All the good stuff's gone and you're stuck fighting over scraps of cold garlic bread? Well, today I'm showing you how to finally grab the steak without wasting months crying into your coffee. Stick around, because I've got something that could turn you from niche struggler into a full-blown empire builder in just 7 phases. Hey friends, Kamal here from testedapps.com. For those of you who don't know me, I've been in affiliate marketing and SEO for over 6 years now. Built my business from scratch, tested hundreds of tools and courses, and I only recommend what actually works. In this video, I'm reviewing Niche Marketing Empire, a brand new system that shows you step by step how to claim, dominate, and scale your own profitable niche. No fluff, no recycled guru nonsense, just a real blueprint you can follow. And quick heads up, if you grab this through my link in the description, I've put together some exclusive bonuses to make this even more powerful. Think shortcuts, done-for-you templates, and a secret SEO weapon I personally use. More on that later, but trust me, you'll want them. So what exactly is Niche Marketing Empire? It's a 74-page step-by-step guide created by Alessandro Zamboni and Martin House. Inside, they show you how to pick hidden sub-niches with low competition, launch your authority in 72 hours, flood your market with content, and build a business that runs on automation. This is perfect if you're a beginner tired of picking dead niches, an intermediate marketer who's been spinning your wheels, or even an advanced marketer who wants a repeatable system to launch new micro-niches on demand. Here's the fun part. It works in 3 simple steps. Step 1. Use the Royal Filter test to pick a niche where demand is high but competition is asleep at the wheel. Step 2. Launch your authority in 72 hours with content, branding, and even a mascot. Yep, even SpongeBob has competition now. Step 3. Scale with the treasure tower and automation arsenal, stacking offers and letting systems run while you're busy binge-watching Netflix. That's literally it. Claim, build, and scale. Now let's talk results. With Niche Marketing Empire, you can find profitable niches before everyone else. Build trust instantly without years of blogging. Create content that dominates search and social without burning out. Stack multiple offers so you're not relying on one shaky product. Automate the boring stuff so your business keeps growing even while you're on vacation. In short, less guesswork, more money, more freedom. Here's the kicker. Courses that teach half of this easily run $197 or more, and niche coaching? That can go into the thousands. But the front end of Niche Marketing Empire is just $17 for the first 5 days, then $27. That's basically the cost of a large pizza, except this won't give you regret or indigestion. Of course, there are some optional upgrades too. Let me break them down for you. OTO 1, Niche Marketing Empire GPT, $27. Get AI-powered prompts to speed up research, content, and branding. If you're lazy like me, this is a time saver. OTO 2, Extra Content Prompts, $27. Perfect if you struggle with writer's block. These prompts help you pump out valuable content fast. OTO 3 and OTO 4, coming soon, $37 each. More tools to level up your empire, details to follow. OTO 5, Private Label Rights, $67. This one's huge. You can rebrand and sell the whole system as your own product. Grab the ones that match your goals. Personally, OTO 1 and OTO 5 are no-brainers. Now, my personal take. I've been testing Niche Marketing Empire for a bit, and honestly, I wish I had this when I started out. It took me years to figure out how to pick niches and build authority. This guide condenses all that into a repeatable system. Plus, the AI angle is super practical. I've already used the prompts to map out content for one of my new projects, and it shaved hours off my workload. But let's be clear, this isn't for everyone. If you're looking for some push-button magic that spits out money while you nap, this ain't it. You'll still need to follow the steps, put in the work, and actually build your empire. But if you're serious about creating something long-term, this is a rock-solid system. Picture this. 30 days from now, you could either still be scrolling through random niche ideas, overwhelmed and frustrated, or you could already have your niche picked, your authority launched, your offers stacked, and your systems running on autopilot. Every day you wait, someone else is claiming the niche you could own. Don't let another month slip by, chasing scraps. Claim your crown today. The link is in the description. If you got value from this review, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment below with your biggest takeaway. And hey, if you've ever tried niche marketing before, let me know your funniest fail story. We've all been there. This is Kamal from testedapps.com, signing off. Go build your empire, and I'll see you in the next video.